is not up for discussion. This love that is not up to me. You might think that it's under discretion. My friend, it is more than it seems. Give in to this irrepressible notion. Let freedom find its decree. Just trust in what has been put in motion. You'll find that it is just what you need. And life will never be the same when you find yourself seeing through the rain. And my heart has finally found the cure to this imprecise life that feels secure. I found that it's not up for discussion. This love that is not up to me. This feeling of hopes to fruition is more than I could ever dream. And life will never be the same when you find yourself seeing through the rain. And my heart has finally found the cure to this imprecise life that feels secure. And my life will never be the same when you find yourself seeing through the rain. And my heart has finally found the cure to this imprecise life that feels secure. I found that it's not up for discussion. That love that is not up to me.